Good morning, all. Any questions? Yesterday's session, no? Any questions about the loop statements, right? If conditions, so case statements. I'll move on to the next topics today. So these topics will go through it. Strings is important. Strings. Let me go to the demo programs. See 38 string operations. Just 1 minute. System login not working. One minute. I will call to enter. Hello, Vishnu. Can you check it once your SAP system is working or not? Okay, let me go to here. It's underscore string operations. Time is date is 16th. String operation. Any idea what could be the purpose of strings in general? Programming languages, strings. That is common, I think, across the programming languages, right?
Naming creations.
Basically, like
Combination of alphabets in a particular understandable manner.
uh, so basically to store the data information of the character data types with the different like way concatenation, right? Like that. So adding, operating the between the three things and all. Yes, sir. Someone's package. What is there? String operations. Think of what will be the output if we execute this one. Concatenation means join two fields. Concatenation means separated by the keyword. Hello. So what is F1 here? What is F2? What is F3?
Variables.
Yes, F1, F2, F3 is variables. What is the F3? Data type and size. Data type F3.
Character variables.
character, because so default is character data types. Right. What is the concatenation F1, F2 into F3 will be done? A
Joining
and B value will go to F3. Right. Or if I give Ramesh Kumar, so I'll give here V underscore first name, V underscore last name, and here V underscore name here. So I'll also change here V underscore last name, V underscore name, concatenate V first name, V last name into V name. V means variable name. Now if you print here, right now what will be the output if you execute this one? Think of what could be the reason this error. Think and tell me why this error has come.
I think in 14th line, V underscore LM should be given a space, and in
Perfect. Very
15th
good.
line
Very good.
and
Correct.
full stop.
Correct. Right now, execute here. Now what will be the output? If I execute this one, what will be the output will come?
Ramesh star Kumar, I think.
Ramesh Kumar, Ramesh star, because star comes in between. You're given a star here. Ramesh star Kumar. Now what will be the output? Space is the keyword. Now what is the output you may get?
We might get a space in between the ones.
Between Ramesh and Kumar, space will come. Ramesh and Kumar. So this will give one space. This is also same, not required. Think of what made print this one? Condense statement. Condense. remove the space, extra space between the words here. Condense is the keyword. Condense. And remove extra space in the variable value. When is this exactly useful in the real-time projects? Raghu, anything you can throw idea? When is
Uh,
you need
no, sir,
this
I
type of
haven't gone through that contents wording, but real time, yes, I saw that couple times.
hmm. Especially whenever you are getting the data from the FRAD files, right? From different systems
Mm-hmm.
to upload and all, it may not come exactly.
Okay.
So that case you should go for the string operations.
Oh, okay.
Even the concatenation also.
Mhm.
Sometimes how the requirement comes is like for example, maybe legacy they are maintaining 100 L100
Mhm.
plant name, for example, works. This is works means plant. Okay, plant. Okay. This is also replace. You can replace this one. Maybe they want S100, SAP 100.
Mhm. Okay, okay.
This is also plant. This is a replace statement. Sometimes concatenation, right? Concatenation. mm, Sometimes right, in the short description or somewhere, sometimes they may ask us.
Yeah. Mm. Yes, now
Something short description.
I'm working on this concept.
Mm,
The reference field they need first 2 digits, last two
mm,
digits.
mm, mm. That also we'll do now. We are going to do that.
Yeah.
That is called offset positions.
Mm-hmm.
Offset position. First, this is also like sometimes short description they want here like material type, material number, and material type. Short description, for example. Material type, material number is 100 raw material, right? Like this, if they want this is short description when you are creating a material. If you want to do, you should go for concatenation only, no other option. Like this case. Right? A material description will get when you are creating a new material, right? New material. New material. For example, whenever you create a new material, this is I went MM01 transaction code here. Cement industry, maybe some raw materials. Let's suppose here you want to give a short description, material number along with this description. That code you should write in the inside the exits enhancements. Those type of cases, strings is very important. Split, we'll go to split one. Concatenation we have done. Condense we have done. Condense will remove the space. Split. This is good one. Here, now think of here. I'll put this one comment first. Split is the keyword. With string, what is string here? Line number 38. String is a variable, right? 40 characters, right? Why we are using a value statement, value word there?
What is what was what was that? It is string is talking about numeric.
Hmm. String is a variable here, right? Now, so
Yes.
what will
Yeah.
happen here? That statement.
It's this one into F and
F1 value is F1, right? And F2 value is F2 value. F2. Think of what could be F1 and F2. Good
here we
now.
didn't write anything, right? So it might be variable amount F1.
See here what will happen here. And debug mode.
Hmm.
F1 is in space, F2 is space now currently.
Okay.
Okay. So split means it will split that variable value. After that we give a single quotes, right? It will take as a space, at space. Now, see what will happen? Hello and what will hello will come to this, what will come to here?
Hmm.
I mean, hello will come to first one. What uh, from what it will come to the next variable here? Because we have given only one variable here. Hello, what was that? Hello came to F1 because he was splitting at a space. This double quotes is space, one space here,
Okay. Mm-hmm.
space. So hello will come to F1, F1 first variable, and whatever if the values, whatever the value contains
Hmm.
after the first space, that
Hmm.
the whole value will come to your F2.
Okay.
That's why you are coming seeing that F2. What was that?
Okay. If we continue F3 and F4, the same
It will
statement.
come the remaining. It will go to what will go to one field, was will go to one field, that will go to one field. We can do it
Okay.
that now. We can do
Mm-hmm.
F1, F2, F3, right?
So you mean to say string
F1,
is
F2.
only to create the spaces, not used for any other thing, right, sir?
No. Thing is, if any data comes in a different format, you
Uh,
want to combine two different field values, or
okay.
you want to split the value which is came as a one string. One
Mm-hmm.
string means continuous characters.
Okay.
Here now what is hello, what was that, right? This is called
Mm.
one string. String means
Oh,
group of characters with
uh-huh.
numbers and could be both alphabets. Group
Okay.
of the information, text actually.
Mm-hmm.
Like first name, last name, surname, if it is available in
Okay.
one variable, you want to split. First name to variable, second
Okay.
variable, second name to this one, like that. We can do that now only.
Okay.
Now this I'll show first.
Uh-huh.
Execute now. Right now F1 is empty, F2 is empty, F3 is empty, F4 is empty now. Now if we execute this one, see, F1 went to hello, right? What was went to that next word? Was went to that word, one more word. Because we can F1, F2, F3 only. Line number 43. 43. Suppose F4 will give, what will think of what will come to F4 value? Here, the line number 43 only. Oh, I give all F4, sorry, F4. I'll give. Think of what will be F4 value?
Was when the question marks, I believe. Hello, what was that and question mark?
That and question mark.
Yeah.
That and whatever the string left out after was. This thing is called string, this one. This whole thing is called a string. Any questions here? Hello?
No, sir.
Okay, right? Clear, right? So if you want to modify, I can modify this one more meaningful. First name, last name, middle name, like that. I can make it here. Go back, back. I can change here. Uh, suppose the name. Okay. Suppose this is first name. Okay. Uh, last name, for example. Okay, and say suppose you some name I'll give. Okay, let's go there, for example. Now, you see, you want make this one as a first name. This one you want make a surname. Sorry, last name. This one you want make as a first name, last name, surname. So you can make it that's one name. V underscore name. Practice this way only. V underscore. So it's easy. V means variable. V underscore name. You can make it here. V underscore first name. Okay. V underscore second name. Give simple variables. Second name. Third one is V underscore surname here. Okay. First name. This is I give the last name, right? First name, last name, surname. Let it be this one here. Now here think anyone tell me what statement I should write here so that whatever the variable value Ramesh Kumar Yadav is available, this should split into first name is this one, last name is Kumar, surname is Yadav. It should come that. Think on what I should write here. Statement. If you want, you can do it parallel as well. I can copy paste this code here in the chat window here only. But we can also practice parallel as well. Where is that here? This is not working here. I guess remote desktop. Oh, now it is working. I should copy paste notepad and then again to here. So now what I'm asking here is, tell me the code of what I should write in 43, next line. I want split. Ramesh should go to first name variable, V underscore first name. Kumar should go to this variable. And surname should go to Yadav. How to write the code? What way can write this code so that it will split these values? So here split. Anyone can tell? Hello? I think I can use space also. I don't know space is allowed here. Into what I should go here? EV underscore first name here. Because we are replacing now here. First name. Okay, next last name. Next surname. Now if you print here, right statement, first name is right, V underscore F name. Next last name, V underscore last name. Next surname. Right? Now think what will be the output? What a variable here? What I should do here? Anyone? What type of error is this one is coming? Why this error we are getting? Why we are getting this error? Hello? What is this error?
I think instead of string, we have to give v underscore name, I think.
Correct. Because variable name, right? The variable name it is not able to find because string are not given. V underscore. Check syntax here. Right? What this mistake? Spelling
The
mistake.
capital
V
letters.
underscore last name. No, small also is fine. It is not a case sensitive. Spelling mistake. Variable is not a spelling mistake. I mean, variable is not a case sensitive. It is a case is not case sensitive. Now if I execute, I put a breakpoint here. Execute. Right? Now V underscore first name, V underscore last name, V underscore surname is empty. Now after line number 45 is executed, what will happen to V first name? Now if the after line number 45 is executed, what will happen to V underscore first name? Right? Ramesh has come here. Kumar came here. Yadav has come to surname. Any questions here? Hello?
Sir, it means we are assigning the values to the variables like v underscore first name and v underscore last name.
Correct. You are right. There is nothing but you can call it as you are assigning the values with the split keyword.
Sir, before you give, means one space, no, sir, is it valid? Like we can give, or we can only give like space keyword?
Here, here, this one here.
Ah, yes, sir.
Here, instead of space keyword, you can give character also, like single quotes we give space, right? Or
Ah,
If there is comma also, you can give within brackets comma, but comma don't have any keyword. COMA. Suppose you are Ramesh Kumar Yadav with comma separated, you should give here comma. Not comma is keyword. It's single quotes. I'll tell you. Execute. Good question. Suppose if you give Ramesh, comma, Kumar, comma, Yadav. Right? Now if you give like this, what we should do? Think what we should know here in line number 45. 43 is commented. 44, what I should do here? Instead of space, I should give comma. Comma in single quotes. This should be given now. Now execute. Put a breakpoint here. Stop. Execute. Right now, see here. Now, what will be the output here? What will be the first name?
Ramesh.
Ramesh.
Ah,
Ramesh.
Ramesh will come. Ramesh Kumar Yadav. You are telling here, comma is available. Is you split exactly at the comma position.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
This is many times required in the BDC also, Raghu. BDC
Yes.
and BAPIS. BAPIS
Yes.
when we are posting the data,
Uh,
data will come in the legacy like this only, like a comma with
Correct.
separated
Yeah,
order.
yeah. Yes,
Then
I've
you
seen
should
lot of
move to
scenarios.
then you should move that one to different values.
Yes.
See now only I can build a small quick one flow quickly.
So,
What I can do
one
is
question, Maya sir, how are you
Mhm.
going to put the breakpoint? How would we know that function consultant where to put the breakpoint?
Breakpoint of where you want to analyze the code, there you can put a breakpoint. Here, what I am doing here is if I come
Mm.
out, for example, okay, I want to explain to you from here this topic, from this part.
Okay.
Because this part to be called in the programming terminology as a declaration part. This is not a
Yep.
executable statements. This
Okay.
one.
Mm-hmm.
Hence, we don't need anything to analyze here.
Uh-huh.
We
Correct.
to we need to analyze from here only the executable statements on what's here.
So,
Particle.
which gives the output? Okay.
Or which executes control.
Okay.
Here the internal execution. This one you don't see. This one because
Okay.
you are only declaring
Mm.
here. From
Okay.
this place onwards, you can see
Mm.
how the control is moving, how what is happening.
Mm.
Hence, I put a breakpoint here.
But if you see that lot of programs are very big programs.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. That one very difficult for us to where to put the breakpoint.
Where to put the breakpoint exactly, you need to understand as based on the requirement. Suppose a select statement you want to
Mm.
analyze, then you have to go to select statement and put a breakpoint there. You get
Mm-hmm.
some idea.
Okay.
Based on the especially support projects and all, whenever you
Mm.
get any issue, right? So
Yeah.
we'll get basing the issue, we know where could be the problem in which type of select statements like that. That will get it once you learn these topics, right? You'll get idea.
Okay. Okay.
Where could be the reason, what could be the reason, something like that.
Yes. Yes. Yeah.
Suppose some output, I
Mm.
will tell you like you are, for example,
But actually, I have also doubt means where to put the breakpoint.
that is requirement based on the requirement. For example, where you want to analyze, there is a field one, field two, field three. Okay, field four, for example, your output you are printing this one. Okay, field one came correct value. Okay, here also correct value came, but here wrong value has come. For example, I'm telling the
Okay.
output.
Mm.
Okay, how the flow should be. First of all, we should understood where is this F1, F2, F3 is filling in the program. Maybe somewhere they have written here.
Mm.
Select F1, F2, F3. Good question. You both asked. F4 here. Okay, from say Mara into table into ID underscore Mara. underscore Mara. So first we will identify which fields are not. This is the output here. This is internal table, for example, IT underscore out. Okay. This is the internal table.
Mm.
First we will search for the internal table. IT underscore out. Then we'll fill where this internal table is filling, because it will be filling the select statements only here.
Mm.
We'll put a breakpoint there here. Then we'll go to some loop statements will be there. Loop at IT underscore Mara into work area underscore Mara. Where statement work area underscore Mara. So then if here it is filled, for example, field 4 value is here, it is filled correctly. Okay. Then where it is missing, we should go on doing debugging. Then we have to think here. By this time, a lot of business process will happen before from here to here. We have
Correct.
to check it line by line the code.
Mm.
Then we will understood what exactly is happening. Only by debugging, output will not come. By debugging analysis, we know where is the problem.
Correct. Because what happened, right? So my job is 90% every day I need to work with a paper. 90% every day.
Uh, yes.
Functional side, whatever I do, it's a customization. So I need to
Uh,
rely on wrappers.
this is custom T codes, huh?
Complete
Customized T codes.
99% customized records.
Customized T codes,
Yeah, custom records.
not a standard T
Not
codes.
standard record. Every time,
Ah,
whenever there is an error, we
hmm.
need to go there. Or else to understand the process also, I need to go to the wrapper.
No other option, because yours is more customized applications, right?
Yeah.
Even maybe Z sales order, ZV01 like that is there,
Everything is
all
started with G only. Yeah.
G only. Okay.
So
And
if you have time, sir, if you try to post one entry in AB01, so
mm,
since you
mm.
are not created any GL account, from there you can
Mm.
go to the debugging mode, sir. We just wanted to see that.
From FB01, directly you
AB01.
can also go. See, I'll tell you. Suppose I don't know if it works FB01 not. Let's try. Suppose FB01. FB01, right?
Yeah.
If you
Yeah.
go to
You
here,
try to,
suppose
enter.
I give some value, right?
Yeah. Date.
Type here.
Yeah, you give the date type. Take the essay or essay. Document type essay.
Document type
SA.
SA.
Yeah.
SA. Okay. A date here. SA.
Yeah.
Okay.
Date today, date only you can take.
Document today's we can take today's date.
Yeah.
So 16th here.
Yeah.
Company code I can go 0001.
0001
Standard
standard one.
company.
Yeah, that you can do it.
And currency rate I can give.
USD, WNR should be any.
Currency name. Okay, I'll give INR also I can give.
Yeah, it's 001,
INR.
right? I think GBV you take.
This screen, right? The whole screen has been developed by SAP company through the ABAP only backend code.
Oh, correct. Yeah.
The call as module pool programming is very interesting. I'll start after these topics completed.
Okay.
This is what now currently, whatever the old systems you see as in GUI, it has been built using the ABAP. In the field they have been built through the Fiori applications, Fiori concept, the apps, using the
Yeah,
apps.
correct. Yeah. Now I'm practicing this
Now,
period actually.
now I should click on save.
Now
What I
you
should
enter
do?
the period. Period is 11. Enter period 11. Yeah. Now enter. Let's see what is the error. It will throw some error, I believe.
Warning.
Uh,
Warning only.
enter
No amount
again. Enter.
tolerance.
Yeah. Again enter. Now you can
That is
go to
valid
the.
for.
Now we can go to the
So,
debugging, right? From there.
from here, if you want to go to debug, you have to go /h here. /h.
Yeah, slash it.
Then switch is on. Now, if
Yeah.
you are searching here, the debugger will start.
Okay.
/h will start the debug at any point of time. I mean, the screen action.
Means in debugging mode, the program will come by
For
default.
this /h purpose, you don't need to click stop button, not required. It goes based on the what you do. If you the moment you click on save, control will go to the debug mode. That's called
So the
/H.
backend screen, whatever is there, that program will come here.
Now you are in debug mode. It will show you the code triggering in the debug.
Backend.
Anything you do in the action, anything you do action on the screen, so backend code will be SAP code will trigger now. What we have written.
Okay.
So now that code will show to you, saying that the control is here. From here, this code has been written by SAP company.
So here, how to put this one breakpoint? This is
From here in the debug inside the debug
I
mode.
know this is standard. It's very difficult. Anyone to
You
do
can double
it.
click. I'll
Yeah.
show you. This is now going on.
Okay,
Here.
okay. It is not stopped.
Not yet stopped. I can show our system any problem. I don't think so. It came already. What I can choose here?
You can choose 40.
40. Okay.
Yeah, 40.
40 is there. Okay, 40 I choose here.
Yeah.
And this one also I need to choose.
Yeah, choose. Go to F4 again. Choose something, sir. Enter. Yeah, you choose any GL account. Let's see.
Buildings. Okay.
Yeah, take it. It will not post it, I believe, but you can choose that.
Now, if I click on /h, again it go to debug mode. I'll put
Okay.
a /h now.
Okay.
Debugger is on. Now I'll press enter again here. And now control is there. For example, control is line number 173 currently. 173. 173. If you want to put a breakpoint here, go down. Suppose you want to put a breakpoint, double click here. Let's see here. I click on 183 here. No breakpoint, one more breakpoint I created in the runtime.
So how would we know, sir? So here we need to put it because it's a process.
No, just based on the, you don't need line by line. You want debug. You want this line, this concept not required, for example. Then you go for this. You understood later. Once you understood functionality concepts, then only you understood.
Okay.
Where exactly we need to put inside the debugger again. Breakpoint.
Okay.
Suppose some loop is happening here. I don't want that to be debugged.
Mm-hmm.
I want a breakpoint here. Then you can put a breakpoint.
Okay.
Wherever you need to put a breakpoint, you can put a breakpoint. Here, if you click this button now,
it will give output, right?
no. If there is a next one more breakpoint, it will stop to the next one more breakpoint.
Okay.
It will not come out.
Go on executable programs wherever there is.
If it is no breakpoint, it comes out.
Okay.
But whereas if it is one further some more breakpoints, it goes to next breakpoint. Like that.
So okay, here logic is understand the very first breakpoint is important.
Where you have to put it. See, custom programs is not a big thing. Standard programs is not so easy to find where exactly.
Correct.
First to find where you put a breakpoint is first you should analyze what is we are missing.
Yes. Okay.
Some report, some output you are missing. We should first find out that where the output we are displaying. Okay. And output will be displaying means some internal table will be there. Then that fields we should check first. You have to search option, put a breakpoint, like that it will go, continue process.
Okay.
Not straightforward.
Yes, correct.
Straightforward, and to tell very one word is not so easy also, right? That's what I say
Yeah,
to everyone in the office also.
yes,
See, we will do debug for 4 days sometimes to
yes,
find some small issue.
yes.
So
Yeah.
if everything is resolved in 1 minute, 10 minutes, so no need of this many ABAPers training is required, right?
That's correct.
Is
Yeah,
correct or not?
it's correct because I'm experiencing a lot of issues day by day.
Ha.
I know the pain of
So a
vapors.
lot of
Yeah,
time it takes, not so
yeah,
easy.
not so easy. Yeah,
So when these college people will come freshers, right? So they will
yes.
ask, sir, not coming, this is not coming, that is not
Uh,
coming.
and
They said this is not a chat GPT. Chat GPT will give answer faster.
yeah,
But here you should analyze, think, then you should move on, you should get answer.
yeah. And my manager is of knowledge. He has it. Either
Uh,
functional or vapors. You to ask so many questions. A vapor
mm,
you don't know the programming. Please
mm,
have patience and listen to us. That is the answer
correct.
I to get it from the vapors.
Only first 1 week I'll tell more detail and like very deep this one.
Mhm.
After 1, 2 weeks, I don't tell in that way because I'll ask them to think and explore.
Correct. Yeah,
Otherwise, it becomes spoon feeding, right?
correct. Exactly. Yeah,
I cannot spoon feed. I should not spoon feed. Sorry, spoon feeding for 20, 30 papers, right? In the company
exactly.
is not
Yes.
good.
Yeah,
So I should enable
Yes, sir.
them what not what I should know. I should teach. I should enable the participants to think differently, debug, analyze. This is
correct.
the aim of the trainings.
Yeah,
Especially these trainings are technical trainings, right?
exactly.
Not any like not a non-IT trainings. It will be different. Yeah.
Mm.
We'll be going on telling what we know. But here is not like that.
Everything is different. You want to,
Everything different. We
yeah,
should enable them to people to think.
correct,
That's why even our trainings also I'm giving time to you to think. I can tell you faster.
correct.
If I'm going on telling myself I don't want to give time to you to think, no need of I can complete lot of
Topic.
things
Yeah,
faster.
correct. Yeah,
So because with my lot of experience also, I found that very important thing is not to teach what we know, the trainers. Our important thing is to enable them to think differently.
yeah,
This is the education system itself, actually. This is how in generally all foreign countries the education system.
correct.
Not like generally our type of education system is slightly different.
Exactly. Yeah,
Their thinking enable their go deep concepts point of they do it. Hence innovations will come from there, majority of the innovations.
yeah,
Ours is not a, that much model we habituated.
correct.
Now this also very important, these two buttons also. So I'll explain when you go for the topic of subroutines and all, because this need a topic of subroutines, these buttons, group of lines to go back like that. If you click this one, it will go line by line. For example, now currently, where is the line control is 183 now. If I press this
Yes.
button, it goes to line by line. Whereas if I press this one, I mean, if I press this button, it goes to inside of this one, what has been written. Okay, Pinnu's iPhone is Charya.
It's
Pinnu's
mine.
iPhone
It's
name.
not. It's mine.
Yours, okay. You see now. Now control is here. If I press this button, right, it goes to the line by line debug. Inside the, it will go to inside. If I press this one, what is the meaning of this one is? It won't show to us, this one. It comes out, control. I mean, it will execute, but it won't show to us. See now, if I press a single step, it go to inside the module. See, it went inside the module now. Where is my control now currently?
Line number 8.
Line number 8. From line number 8, if you want to line by line debug, you should click this button. You don't want debug line number 8, let it should continue internally. You don't want to see that, then you should click this button. Now, if I click on this button, it won't show you inside the code what is happening. This is a concept important.
Okay.
So now what I did, I clicked this second button. When I click this second button, what will happen is this code, it won't show to us of execution process. It will do backend automatically. That is the meaning of F6, second button.
Means, as I can say, here what is getting executed, it will display in ABAP and screen stack.
No, you don't. Instead of that, you can think of in this very simple way. If you are in line number 8,
Means,
okay, your control,
okay.
for example, control is line number 8. Okay, if you don't want to see what is happening inside this PAI underscore fuzzily written, okay, you don't want to analyze that in the runtime. Okay, then in that case, you can click this second button so that you don't want to see that. You don't need that. I mean, based on sometimes you will be understood. We don't need this process. Then move on. You don't need to go to step by step. Whereas if you press this button, it will go to inside of this one. And step by step, you will be able to see the code like that.
Oh,
I think this came already. That's why some error is coming. Account 2000 in company code cannot be delivered post. I think this could be some configuration issues, right? Here.
Yeah, correct, sir. Yeah.
Okay. We can move on to our topic.
Yeah, we can move on, sir. No issue.
Okay. Okay. So we were telling this program, right? Split is clear here. Split. Split is to split the uh, one value into multiple values. Big value. Split will, that is the name itself says that, right? The part of this string, this is a perfect terminology. Part of the string into different variables. Concept. This is very important. Many times we need to use this one. Subset. For example, offset, we call it offset position. Offset position. I will put a comment here. Offset position. I already declared here, right? P underscore person name. I'll go P name, person name. Vagdevi. Chari, yeah? Chari is this name only, Vagdevi.
Sir.
Sham?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Think of line number 58. If it's good, what will happen? 58. Observe only 56 and 58. These two lines only code I have written.
First name Rajesh will appear, sir.
Anyone? Yeah. Any other answers? Any other answers we can think? Only line number 56, 57, 58. Two lines only now active.
The first name plus 0 you mentioned. Not sure what it is. First name plus 0, 1. Rajesh.
Right, what will be the output? 0 of 1 means this offset position we call. I'll take up debugging. Only R. So what only R means what could be the meaning of that?
So first name.
0 means from first position. It will take one character. 1 means.
Only one.
Okay, okay.
This will print single character.
Sir, as in line 56,
Yes.
only 20,
Mr.
20 is displayed. Value is declared as 20, but you are displaying only one
One
character.
character. 1 means character. One character here. 0 of 1
One
means.
character only.
Suppose think of 0 of 2 if I give.
RA.
Array. One more, right? It went to next line. Right, activate RA. What is the meaning of 0 2?
First
0
letters.
from 0 position. From 0 position. 2 characters here. That is the meaning actually. Right? Suppose if I give here. V underscore person name plus 0 5. So what will become if I give 0 5? Think and tell me what will be the output. What will be the output? Line number 59.
So Rajesh will come, sir, total.
Rajesh will come, right?
Yeah.
Because from 0 5 characters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Raj, yes, up to S only, right?
Yeah, correct. Yeah.
Up to S only here. Oh, yes. If you want to give, you can give new line character here so that you don't get confused. Now if I give 7, what will happen?
Additionally, H and comma will add it.
Correct. Now tell me what will be the output if you print. What will be the output? Line number 59.
So you're bringing the M word, sir? Is equal to M you mentioned, right?
M. So what will be the output? If 59, if I execute,
you're searching for the M then.
not searching, assigning.
Hmm.
After equal to whatever you give, it is called a assignment, not a searching.
Okay.
Think and tell me what could be that output.
I think M will be printed, sir.
So instead of R, M should come, right? Majesh Kumar Yadav. Let's see. I'll put a breakpoint also here now. I have not activate the code here. Put a breakpoint here. Execute. Do you see R replaced with M? Hello? Now
Yes.
Majesh Kumar Yadav will come in the output. Majesh Kumar Yadav. Suppose if I give 0 of 4, what will be the output? Think of what could be the output. And number 59, if I execute, what will be the output? 0 of 4 means what will take?
It will come Mega Rajesh KU.
0 of 4 means from 0, 4 characters. This is 0.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Up to RAJE, you are replacing with MAJE. Let us put in the debug mode.
Nagesh.
Execute. Now V underscore P name is Rajesh Kumar Yadav as of now.
Hmm.
So I click this line now. See here, Magesh Kumar Yadav came.
Okay.
Because 0 4 means from 0 position 4 characters. Slightly it will be confusion. 0 of 4 means it starts from 0, not 0 to 4. From 0, count to the 4 characters. 0, 1, 2, 3. Means up to RAJE it will replace. RAJE become MAJE, MAGE. This is the concept.
Okay.
Right? Clear, right?
Yes.
Only 5 minutes break. I'll be on call only. Just small break. Okay, 8:40, 8:45 will continue. This meeting will be there. Okay, na? Yes, I
Okay.
join back now 8:45. I don't close the meeting. Okay.
Okay.
Let's move on now. This programs I'll give it to you. You can practice as well. Find them. We'll go to find them or length demo, string length. This is every programming language, the same thing only. You can find out the length of string.
You shared screen, sir?
Oh no, not shared. Okay, that I shared already. No. Oh, you can see my screen, right? So string length. Okay, think 1 minute. Okay, length of this thing means how many characters are available. That information will come. Okay, for that you need one variable. Like for example, line number 61. You are trying to find the length of the string v underscore person name here. V underscore person name here. This len is I have not declared as of now. Okay, I have to declare now variable length. Think of what could be the data type. This is where your real concept of data types required. This v underscore len. What data type I should give? This will give a length of number of characters. Now, how many characters are there in your v underscore p name? Anyone tell me? How many characters are there? V underscore p name. This one is the variable name, right? How many characters are there now here inside this one? Size, number of characters.
4.
Value.
The value
How
means
many?
Rajesh Kumar Yadav, those.
Magesh Kumar Yadav, right?
Yeah.
Instead of Magesh,
Magesh.
Magesh, because I am written here.
Yes, correct. Magesh Kumar.
Okay, so how many characters it comes totally? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 18th. Right?
Yes.
So what I'm saying is that 18 to hold, you need a variable. 18 number. What data type you need to take that variable? Think and tell me.
Integer data type.
Integer, correct. Why integer? Why not
Yes.
a numeric? Why not n? Maybe think of why not n? N also numeric, right? Digits only. Why not n? As I just now said, this is the exact concept of what data type's purpose. To choose based on what you will choose character, data type, numeric, date, like that. Now, always to store the number of characters is a characters, right? I mean, sorry, digits only, right? If you take type n, what could be the problem? Think and tell me. Right here, suppose if I give here data v underscore length. If I give type n, what will happen? what is n concept? N means we should give number of fixed characters. N means numeric characters. It is fixed. But number of characters you don't know, right? Hence you should not go for numeric. You should go for I, integer now. Now see what will happen, b underscore length. Right here. Word statement. Number of characters inside the variable is v underscore length. Right, activate now. Put a breakpoint here. Already breakpoint is there. So v underscore name will become now Magesh Kumar. V underscore person name Magesh Kumar Yadav. You are printing that one here. Now v underscore length. What is the value of v underscore length currently now? You see in my screen right side. What is it?
It's a 0.
Right side. 0. Why it is 0?
We have not declared the length.
No.
Sir, as it is numeric, only take numbers. And in there
Integer,
are
because it is
string
the default value is the 0 integer data type.
integer.
That is the reason. Now tell me after execute line number 61, what will be the v underscore length? It comes how many characters if you count this one? Count this number of characters. How many it comes?
18.
18. Huh? 18, correct. Including comma.
Yeah.
18. So now 18 will come to the variable. 18 will print here. That's what number of characters inside the variable is 18 here. Fine. String length is clear concept. Length of the string. Concatenate we have done. Split we have done. Translate we have done. Suffix we have done. Shift. Now think of line number 63. Shift, if this statement is executed, what could be the output?
So it is going to take only left side names.
So shift v underscore p name by 3 places left side.
I
Means
think
3 characters.
DAV, MAR, ESH. Like that it will take.
Mag, I think Mag will go. Magesh Kumar Yadav, right?
Yes.
So MAG will go.
Okay.
Let me put a breakpoint here. See, unless activate. Put a breakpoint here.
From ESH it will take, sir.
Let's see now. V underscore name, person name is now Magesh Kumar Yadav because I made here. Here. You see, MAG has come, gone. right? Because it will replace the first three characters. It will move out, move. Clear? Hello?
Yeah.
Suppose if in top three places, if I would have been given 4, what will happen? Instead of 3 places left, if I give 4 places left, what will happen?
We will take left 4 for each.
So left 4 will be not MAJE will not be there. E will not come, right? E will not come here. E will be gone because 4 places left. Okay, clear? It's simple, right? This one. Shift.
Yeah.
Okay. I will give all this one as a demo. Next, go to next topic. Today I planned text elements, right? Text elements. What are the text elements? You can write, for example, here. Maybe if you are confusing here, I'll create a new program here. Go to here, Z, transport, text elements, text elements. Click on create. This call it hard coding. We call it hard coding. This one, right? Will come this output. Same thing you can print using the text elements. Go to here. Text hyphen 001. Like this now. So double click here. Click on yes. Here you can write here. This is text elements. Elements. What the purpose? Anyone knows about this one? Who are working already? Do you come across this one?
Awesome.
Like heading purpose. All column headings and all will come this one only. It's good now here. Back here. So reusability. Within this program, inside this program, you can use many number of places. One more is translation. So this is English, right? Text demo of text elements and a DB statement. This is in English. Okay, if you want to get in a translation, suppose someone join with DE, German language. So German language, you don't know what is the demo of text elements in DB statements, right? It is English word, right? Okay, same thing you can translate to German language. You try, you explore as a homework. How to translate the text elements into different languages, different language. No need of any coding, nothing is required. Okay, some steps will be there. Just try to follow that and then tell me tomorrow how to translate these text elements. Okay, na? Hello?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me go to database statements quickly. 13 minutes, 15 minutes. Yeah. What are DBA statements? Database statements? DB statements. So we use to fetch the data from the database tables and put it either in variable or work area or internal table, or using DB statements. Also, we can update the data into the standard data into the custom tables. Okay. Okay. Here, this is the database here. This is your recipe database here. This is your ABAP program here. And you bring the data from here to here and place the output, display the output. Okay. So here, to get the data from there to here, you can use any one of this one. Either variable you can use, or you can use work area, or you can use internal table. This is the placeholders of the data in the runtime. Okay, think and tell me what is the variable difference between variable, work area, and internal tables. Think and tell me. What is the variable? What is the internal table? What is the work area? Work area is nothing but a structure. What is the difference between variable, work area, and internal tables? Database statement. Database statements. Select single MATNR from Mara into V underscore MATN. What will do this statement? Line number 15. Mara table, you know, right? All of you, the structure. Mara table. This looks
Yeah.
like this. Mara.
Yeah.
Double click here. Mara table. What the statement will do? Single statement. Select single.
It will going to bring the material number. So material. It will go to
So
the Mara table.
Mara table.
Yeah.
Bring one material number value to your
Yes.
V underscore matter.
Yeah.
You can display here. Material number. If I check syntax, you'll get error or not. Why this error is coming? Think and tell me. See, you can see error message clearly, right?
Empty. The table field is unknown. MATNR. The field what we enter is wrong. Then
No. What could be this reason error? What could be this error? Why this error is coming?
Stop, sir.
No. Read that error, you'll understood that. You see error, right? Line number 15 and 17 below.
variable MATNR is wrong.
Oh. Unknown means what is the meaning of that unknown?
Not finding.
We are not declared, right? Because we are not declared, the variable error is coming. Field emitter is unknown means what is the meaning of field emitter is unknown? We are not declared that variable. How to declare that? Anyone can tell? Think and tell me. How to declare that variable? Hmm? V underscore MATNR type. I can give like this, right? I can give you like this or not? If I give less, what will happen? Type after type MATN is the data element. After type, what we have given is data element. What the purpose of data element? Data element will give the data type to the variable inside the program, and inside the program, and it gives data type, gives data type to the table fields. This is the concepts here. Okay. I can give like this, or I can give also like this. I can give Mara, if both are fine. Now, if I give like this, what will happen?
You're just see you're giving the table on the table particular field.
It comes data type automatically.
Yeah.
This one. Data will not come here. Now this statement is success. You can write here if S5 sub bar C equal to 0. Material number found in the material number found in the database. And it
What is the size of Barsi, sir? So sometimes I used to hear that if it is 1, there is an error. If it is 0, only success. Huh?
0 means success means it found one record. At least one record it is found in the database.
Okay. If it is 1 means error.
Non-zero means fail.
Okay. Fine.
Non-zero means fail. Take care. Save it now. Take syntax. Activate it. X good. Put a breakpoint here. Stop. X good. Right here. Now it is empty. It will get single record material number here. Put into the variable. Now you're printing. See, space numbers become 0 here. That value you're printing here. Okay, so what I do is I give some homework. You practice those things. Get one record from the database table Mara, and the fields you should get is Mara, MITNR, MTRT, METKL, MEINS. And you should print the output. Get one record from database table Mara, and the fields you should get is and display the output. Display the output. One more thing. Get 100 records from Mara table. Same fields MITNR, MTRT, METKL, MEINS. Display the 100 records from the internal table using loop statement. Okay. Do this both homework, you will get a lot of concepts. Stop here.